Yo, what is it, guys? It's Quickie back in another video today. Today, guys, we're going to be doing a rebuild of the Boston Celtics, my favorite team. Um, this team is honestly, once again, a pretty young team. I want to build around Tatum and maybe Jaylen Brown. I don't know if I might trade him. I might not. I don't know. I do might want to trade Al Horford because he is getting old. I want to pick up another young piece, maybe a first round pick, um, to fill in that power forward position. So yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below what rebuild I should do next. I might do a NFL rebuild. I don't know. Leave a comment below if I should do that. It's up to you guys. So yeah, let's get right into this. So, my perspective, I think I might get rid of Al Horford. See if I can get a first round pick from it. Because Al Horford, I mean, he is pretty young. We'll just do a second round pick with it. Let's see what we get. I do like Steven Adams. Clint Capella. Oof. Ben Simmons, no. Definitely not Ben Simmons. I might. Oh. But he's 32, 33. Clay. That's a fat contract, though. That is a fat contract. How much is he offering? How much is Capella offering? Second round pick. Swap best with the Trailblazers. Do I want to do Clay? If I do Clay, no. I'll do Clint. I'll do Clint Capella. Welcome to the team, Clint Capella. So, we got Capella as I want as our center. I don't want Blake Griffin either. I'm gonna try to get a pick for him. I don't want Blake Griffin on my team. He's useless. You don't really need him. Try to get a pick from him. Wait, actually, wait. Let me. Let me do Blake Griffin, and actually, I want to do Gallinari for. Topsy protected. '23 pick. And then they can give me. Oh no. Just give me a. You know what? Give me the second round pick with it. Give me what do they give me from? No. Actually, wait. What if I do this? I know for a fact that they're not going to do it. Nothing. I could get behind this. I don't know. What can I get for Blake Griffin? And Gallinari. Grayson Allen. Mitchell Robinson. I don't want him this. No, I don't want them this one of this time. As you see in my last video, he did not do good for me. So I'm gonna get away from that. Ooh, Hachimura. I'm gonna do this one. Rui Hachimura, welcome to the team. He is also young. Alright, here's our roster right now. I do want Rui playing. Alright, there you go. Alright, where is it? Power rankings. Where are we at? Power rankings. 7th, okay. Alright. I'll see you guys at, we'll do trade deadline. I'll see you guys at the trade deadline. Alright guys, I had to stop it right here. Look at our record. 27-3. I'm just mind blown right now because we are on an enormous winning streak as of late. We won 13 in a row. 13 in a row. And I mean, Cleveland's 26-5, which is very surprising. I don't know how this team is 26-5, but we are 27-3. We destroyed the Magic, 152-110. Jason Tatum, 51 points. Brogdon, 10 assists, 21 points. Rui, a double-double. Oh my god, I'm so happy I picked up Rui. How is Rui honestly doing? Okay numbers. Is it better than... He's getting there. It's fine. And we don't even have Jaylen Brown. He's out 1 in 2 weeks. Jason Tatum is unstoppable right now. 37 points. Anyways, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Similar to the trade deadline this time. Alright. We are at the trade deadline with an outstanding 46-9 record. We did lose 3 games in a row for some reason. Yeah. I'm not making any trades. Where are we at in the rankings? Oh my god. We are just destroyed. Man, the Boston Celtics. I made this team into a good team. Roy is doing very well. I mean, not meeting his standards, but it's fine. Capella. Okay. I might get rid of Noah Vonleh for a pick, to be honest with you. Because we don't really need... Let me see something. Noah Vonleh. We really don't need Noah Vonleh, to be honest with you. And Justin Jackson. What can we get out of them? Max Strus. Yo. I know my 42-year-old does have them, though. Rudy Gay? No. What if I offer, like, a pick? We'll offer the first... we'll offer this one. Not really a first round pick. How about with... How's Payne Pritchard doing? 3 points. Payne Pritchard needs to go. I want to see what I can get for him. Payne Pritchard. No. Gabe Vincent. Hold up. Wait a minute. I want to see. What can I get for Jordan Poole? If I could get somewhat... Wait, what can I get for LeBron? Nothing. Okay, that's what I thought. What can I get for Jordan Poole? Oh, that. that. No. How about... You know what? No, we're not doing anything. We'll just wait to the end of the season. See you guys at the end of the season, guys. Alright, we're here at the end of the season. We are at a 61-21 record. Nikola Jokic, Finals MVP, or not Finals MVP, MVP with a triple-double, 31 points, 14 rebounds, 10 assists. Pablo Banchero, Rookie of the Year, 23 points, 11 rebounds, 3 assists. Colin Sexton, Sixth Man of the Year, Defense Player Giannis, Most Improved Alperen Sengun, and Coach of the Year is our coach, Joe Mazzulla, 61-21 record. All NBA first, All NBA second, All NBA third team, and Jason Tatum made All NBA second team, which is okay. Jaylen Brown didn't make it, which is surprising. All defensive first, all defensive second team. Robert Williams, all defensive second. Props to him. All rookie first, all rookie second team. And here we go, the playoffs / play-in. And we are the 2 seed. We were just at 47-3, I believe. And now we are at the 2nd seed, which is fine. Simulate plan. And we are taking on the Indiana Pacers. Who is on the Pacers? Pacers got Tyrese Halliburton, Michael Turner, Benedict Mathurin, Buddy Hield, Chris Stewart, Kendall Brown, Isaiah Jackson, TJ McConnell. Easily beat this team. It's the Pacers. Easy to beat. 2-0, 3-0. Just walk right through them, please. 3-1, 4-1. Taking on the Atlanta Hawks, Trae Young and John Collins. Simulate round? Come on, Celtics. Celtics, come on. 2-2. Come on. 3-2. 3-3. We lost in Game 7 to the Hawks. DeJounte Murray and Bojan Bogdanovic. Alright. Simulate round. I don't know what I should do now. The Hawks made it to the finals against the Warriors. Alright. I'm just shocked right now. I'm literally just shocked. I'm surprised we didn't make the finals and win it right there. We were the team to win the finals. We were 47-3, and we somehow lost to the Hawks in Game 7. Player retirements: 2000, Melo, Dwight Howard, and Joe Johnson. Lou Will. Staff retirements: Popovich, Stanley retired, Dwight Howard and Carmelo Anthony retired. Jersey retirements: both of them. Draft, lottery. I mean, I don't really think we have a pick until like the 2nd round. Yeah, we really don't have a pick until the 2nd round. So we need to simulate the draft. We don't need a rookie signing. See who we got. See who we got in the 2nd round. Probably nobody good. Kyle, and yeah, we really didn't get anyone good. Decline, which is fine. We don't need Payne Pritchard. That's fine. James Harden declined. What if... Okay, I have an idea. This might be stupid. What if I get rid of Jaylen Brown? What if I get rid of Jaylen Brown for him? I mean, he is 26. He is growing. No, that may be a stupid move, though. Kyrie. Since when is Kyrie a shooting guard? Chris Middleton. What can we get for Chris? Nothing. We can't really get anyone. How did he do? I might get, yeah, Derek White needs to go. We'll keep Brogdon. Marcus Smart. I am Mike. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of Marcus Smart and Derek White. See what I can get for them. Clay. I really want to get Clay. I want to get Clay. But he might start declining. I don't know. What can I get for this? Anything good? This is ooh, Jalen Johnson and Barjon Marjanovic. This might be a risk to take, but I'm gonna do it. Welcome to the squad. This is Jackson. No, we're not. We do have 36 mil. There's like no one to sign. Do I want Brook Lopez? No. Yeah, I'm just gonna assume like the player progression. There's like no one to sign, honestly. I mean, our team is pretty stacked as it is. I'm gonna give Jaylen Brown one more chance. Do we still have Rory? We don't. Oh, okay, we do. How did he do? Okay. I'm expecting big things for Rory right now. If he doesn't meet those expectations, I'm getting rid of him. How did Jalen do last season? He's popping off. Okay. Robert Williams might need to go. I mean, he did make all defensive. I do give him credit. Okay. Alright. I'll see you guys at the beginning of the season. Okay, we are here at the beginning of the season. Here's our roster for the season. I mean, like you saw, I just got Bojan Bogdanovic. That's basically it. We have Iggy. Why? Yeah. I don't want Iggy. I don't want him. No volley. I don't want. Damn. Whatever. I'll see you guys at the All-Star break, honestly, or actually no. I'll see you guys at the trade deadline. Okay, we are here at the trade deadline right now. We are 39-17. A little worse than we did last season. Do I want to get rid of him now? How's he doing? Yeah. Robert Williams needs to go. I'm sorry, Robert. It's time. Miles Bridges? Miles Bridges. That is a fat contract. That is literally a fat contract. But I don't want to get rid of him. Wait. I don't know. De'Aaron? Yo. De'Aaron Fox. He's just underperforming though. No. Bobo? Bobo. Do I pick up Bobo? No. This is... Who is this? Jackson Hayes. I don't know who to pick. DeAndre. Do I? Oh my god. Hold up. What if I give you a first rounder? Something. A, what if I give you... Then you give me... Ennis Freedom. I don't know. Eric Gordon? Oh my god. What if I give you a pick? Or, better yet, we'll give you... I don't know, dude. I don't know. What if I give you this? What if I give you... Iggy? Still nothing. Wait a minute. How is... Give me him. No. Give me... That might be a bad move, but I do want to get him. Give me James Wiseman. That in mind, I might get rid of Rory now. And then Bojan. Bogdan. No, nothing. How about just Rory? Nothing too? How about this? Nothing. Alright, we'll just ride it out. We'll see you guys at the end of the season. We are here at the end of the season. Luka Doncic, most valuable player. Victor Wembanyama, rookie of the year. 6th man of the year goes to Anthony Simons. Defensive player Giannis, and Shaden Sharp, most improved, and our coach Joe Mazzulla, 58-24 on the record for All NBA first. Damn, 46 weeks. All NBA first, All NBA second. Wow, LeBron's All NBA second now. He's still a 93 though. All NBA third, and then all defensive first, all defensive second. Jason Tatum made all defensive too. Okay. And all rookie first, all rookie second. All right. We are the first seed, which I like. Simply planned. We are facing the Pacers once again, like last year, who we defeated. Let's see their roster. Let's see what we working with. Is this like a same team or? Yes, it's literally the same team. Okay. Simply round, easy. Pick up the win. Come on. No. Come on, Boston. Boston. Bro, I don't know how many times I have to do this. How do we get first rounded? How? Bro, how do we get first rounded? By the Pacers out of all teams. The Pacers? Really, game? Bro, the Raptors? Are you kidding me? Brooklyn and the Nuggets. The Nuggets won. Wow, oh my god. Jokic. 31, 13, and 14. Jeez. Alright. Off season now. What does this team need? I don't know. LeBron James has finally retired. It's gonna be different now. Iggy as well as retired. CJ Miles. I thought he was on the goddamn thing. Jersey retirements. Wow, LeBron didn't. He did retire his number. Very surprising. All right, where are we at the draft? I think we have a pick. I'm pretty sure. We do. The 29th pick. We could probably trade someone to try to get a higher up pick. Which I'm going to try and do. Oh my god. We have like 4 people on our team, too. Oh my god. How's Capella doing? Do I want to keep him? No, I don't want to keep him. I can't trade that? What the fuck? Whatever. Alright. Submit the draft onto the team options. Seeing who wants to leave our team. If it's Jaylen Brown or Jason Tatum, I swear. If it's Jaylen Brown, I wouldn't really care. If it's Jason Tatum, though, I would be scared. Jalen Johnson, okay. Do you want to keep him? I do. Lonzo. Alright, let's see. Who all declined? AD declined. You know what? It has to happen. It has to happen. I'm gonna free up some cap space and get 80. I'm gonna try my best to get 80 right now. Yeah, this team is not it right now. Jalen Johnson, I'm sorry. Where's Jaylen Brown's not here. Do I want to sign? I don't know what to do. The highest paid. I guess we could sign him. I don't know, though. I don't know. What can we do? Big brains. Use our big brains. How is Marcus Smart doing? Okay. No, no, no. Still nothing. I can't sign him whatsoever. He's already back in the league anyways. Damn it. Anthony Edwards, nothing. Tyrese Maxey, nothing. Pascal. I don't know what to do. Artists in a sim way to free agency right now. I don't know what to do. I really don't know. Our team just collapsed. Our team literally just collapsed. I wanted to try and get 80, and we failed to do so. Let's see the player progression. Who is on our team? Obi Toppin. He just got there though. Desire Williams. This is bad, guys. This is bad. Oh my god. Okay, I have an idea. I'm gonna try and get John Collins. I think that might be the. I'm gonna see how well he is doing. Maybe I'll try and sign John Collins. I don't know what this team needs. I really don't know. I'll see you guys at the start of the season. Okay, so bad news. Our team just declined. Bad. I can't sign anyone. We'll just have to write it out. I don't know what to do anymore with this team. I'll simulate to the trade deadline. I'll see you guys at the trade deadline, guys. Alright, guys. So I made some trades. We are 10-26. So I got rid of. I forget who I got rid of. I got Kevon Looney Tunes, Jonathan Isaac, and Matisse Thybulle. So yeah, I mean, there's nothing really else to do. I mean, this team is just garbage. Literally garbage. I mean, we could try and get rid of these two, but there's nothing else to do. Wait a minute. What if... Who is the worst pick right now? I have an idea. Who has the worst pick right now? The Bucks. Where did Giannis go? Where's Giannis? Hold up. I'm gonna look for Giannis first. Where is Giannis? Why is he not with the Bulls and not the Bucks? Giannis is with the Sixers. Oh my god. Wait a minute. There's no way. I don't believe it. He is not with the Sixers. Wait a minute. Where is Giannis? This is so slow. Where is Giannis? Giannis is... He's in Milwaukee. What? And they're 6-30? What? Oh, okay. We're just gonna write it out. We're just literally just write it out to the end of the season. So I'll see you guys at the end of the season. Alright, so we simulated another year, and John Morant is finals MVP. Xavier Booker is Rookie of the Year. Lonzo Ball is Sixth Man of the Year. Bam Adebayo, Defensive Player. Most Improved Grady, Dickey, and then Mark Dignan-Holt is Coach of the Year. Our team did not make the playoffs. All NBA first, All NBA second, All NBA third team, All NBA All Defensive first, which Jonathan Isaac made, and All Defensive second team was Matisse Thybulle made. So yeah, we did not make the playoffs. The Thunder is a 1 seed, which is very surprising. We need a big off season. This might be my final season. I don't know. Depending on how good our team is, honestly. We just need a big off season at this point. We need someone huge on the free agency market that we could possibly try and get. So yeah. New York Knicks against the Pelicans? The Pelicans versus the Knicks in the finals. No way the Knicks win. There's no way. That's what I thought. The Pelicans, Zion. Oh, Dyson Daniels. Okay. No, Zion's on the team. He should be. Okay. On to the offseason. Chris Paul finally retired at age 40. Holy hell. Staff retirements. Eric Spoelstra, Nick McMillan, Mike Budenholzer, and Lloyd Pierce. Hall of Fame inductees Chris Paul, Kyle Lowry retired, and Blake Griffin. Okay. Draft lottery. Where are we at? Oh, we are 4th. We are 2nd. Dude, guys, this is huge. This is huge right now. We are 2nd in the draft. We have a chance. We have a chance. Please. Who are they drafting? Nasir Cunningham out of high school. Okay. Alright, our 2nd pick. Who's good on his roster? Oof. No, I don't want to draft him yet. Steven Adams. Barbosa. Brooke Lopez. I don't know. I really don't know. I might just get him. Yeah, Jackson welcome to the team. And we're just simulating to the end. Hopefully he's a good overall. I'll take it. An 80 overall. I'll take it. Okay. Rookie signing. Yes. Team options. Team decline. Okay. We're good. We're alright. We're fine. We can sign him still, right? We can still sign him. Tatum and Brunson. We can still sign him. It's fine. We're fine. We're fine. We are fine. Jalen. No, Jalen. Jason. Please come back to the team. Evan Mobley. Please come to the team. Jay Cunningham. Please come to the team. Jalen Green. Oh, shit. Okay. Fuck. Okay. We got Jason Tatum at least. Jalen Green. Come. Scotty Barnes. Come over. Josh Giddey. Come on over. Why? No. Desmond Bain. Come on over. We're just signing anyone right now. Heat. Oh, shoot. Marcus, Reggie Bullock, Anthony Go, Lance Stevenson. How? Oh my God. Kawhi? He's 34 though. How is he doing? He has no offers, which is very surprising. He's declined. He's done. Paul George is done. Sadiq Bey. Wait, Kuminga? I could possibly get Kuminga or Isaac Okoro. No, I can't. Kuminga? No. Alright. Shoot. Hasn't made some with the Kings. Oh my God, this is bad. This is still bad, I think. I want to try and get a trade offer in. Hold on. Trade finder. Where did he go? Oh, he's been on the team. Ian Jackson. What if I make him... what can I get for Jaylen Brown? Tyler Hero. That might be a steal. This might be a... what else? Pascal? Oh. But he's 30. I don't know how I feel about them. Wait. What if I did this? Tyler Hero. I don't want to get into these. I don't know. James Harden's a 78 overall. Holy crap. You know what? He's doing good though. No. I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do. Alright. I'll just live it. I think we'll just live it. I don't feel good with this roster though. It's better. Somewhat. Alright. I'll rock with it. I'll see you guys at the start of the season. Alright guys, here's my roster. This is my last season. This is too stressful. We'll rock with it. See how far we get. We'll see you guys at the trade deadline. See if I want to make any trades or not. So. Alright, start simulating. See you guys at the trade deadline. Okay, so it's the trade deadline right now. You're 15 and 40. You're obviously not making the playoffs. I might not even finish the simulation, honestly. I mean, this team is just bad. I don't know what happened. Like, our rookie's not even that good. I mean, actually, never mind. He's doing pretty good. But it's just our team. I don't know why it's just inconsistent. I don't know. I'm going to end the video, guys. Leave comments below what type of rebuild I should do next. It could be basically any team that you want me to do, I can do. So, yeah. Like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys.